You know how we have this argument about whether or not we need to shampoo our hair, but then at the same time we say,
don't shampoo, just replace it with a scalp massage.
The word shampoo, I'm gonna tell you real quick. The word shampoo means to press, knead, or massage.
Before we get started, be sure to subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification to be notified every single time I post another video. And you're also doing this for this video's sponsors, Dossier. I'm in love with Dossier because they make wonderful dupes of your favorite perfumes and colognes with herbal hints. If you want to get your hands on some, make sure you check the links in the description box and check out my blog for more info. Links below.
Let's go. A lot of us like to go back in time here on YouTube and look at other cultures and what other cultures used to do to get to new levels. And I feel like we look at the wrong areas of certain cultures, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with doing that. But let's look in the right places. So around 1762 is when the Hindi word and switched around and put into the English language. And once they took that word, they kind of changed up their definition of the word. But a lot of us like to say,
Like, oh, well, they didn't use shampoo.
where did the word soap actually come from? We used to use the pulp of a fruit, right? Fruit called soapberry. Real life soapberry. Look it up. This is what they used to use, and it was a mixture of soap berries and hibiscus flowers. They would go ahead and do their own version of distillation, not letting it ferment and smell like boo-boo rice or boo-boo sprinkles or anything like that, but they'll go ahead and let it do its thing or whatever, shampoo their hair with soap berries and hibiscus, right? And I need you guys to keep in mind, these are women that do not have extremely curly hair. These are not women that are going 2-3 months before they wash their hair. These are not women going 2-3 weeks before they wash their hair. As plentiful as soap berries were and as plentiful as hibiscus flowers were, it was a part of their regular routine. I don't think they was like us, only washing our hair every 4 or 5 months. I'm just saying why you should shampoo in the first place. Within Guru 101, you know, you can join. Link in the description box. We'll talk about it at the end of this video. Within Guru 101, we go deep into skin cell turnover. And skin cell turnover is something that happens in the human body every 28 days. Every 28 days, the old skin cells on the top layer of skin, they fall off, and new cells make their way up. So shampooing the hair is a method used to aid the body at releasing those dead skin flakes that need to go so that the new skin can come up along with that hair that wants to come out of the follicle. Shampoo is not just a random word that hairstylists made up. Shampooing is not something that we could just be like, you know what, we don't even need to do that. We don't even need to do that. There's a reason why shampoo is the very first step before any service in a hair salon. In my opinion, the shampoo is literally the most important part in the shop. When I was standing behind the chair, I got my tips at my shampoo, on my shampoo, boo, because my shampoos used to be bomb. But I see so many hairstylists now,
You gotta cut your hair already washed,
and I get it because women will come in for a weave and haven't washed their hair in 6 months. So I get it. I'm not getting on you or nothing like that. But this is why a lot of times people are going to stylists and they're not getting the result that they want to get and things of that nature, because the most important part is skipped over, and that is the shampoo. The shampoo is not just to put little sparkly products in your hair or to make your hair smell good or to make your scalp feel good. No, that's not what the shampoo is for. So that's the what. The why to shampoo is skin cell turnover. And then the how would be, girl, just get some hot water, right? Because hot water is going to open that cuticle and loosen up some of them dead skin particles on your scalp. And then you just going to take a shampoo based on your porosity and your sebum level. Sebum level meaning like, do you have really oily hair? Is it like barely oily, or is it like super dry? You know what I'm saying? And then your density, which is like, is your hair thin, medium, or fine? That's how you pick your shampoo, boo. And then you're going to use the shampoo, and the shampoo is going to aid you in kneading, pressing, soothing, and massaging the scalp so it can release all of those dead skin cells that need to go throughout those 28 days. What that means? The process of these 28 days, you have in the process of these 28 days, every day you have different flakes falling off your scalp. So what you need to do is different forms of scientific brushing. This is what I teach everybody within Guru 101. Scientific brushing is another way throughout that 28-day period that you can aid your scalp in releasing those dead skin flakes, right? So that way you have no blockage within the follicle. And this is the thing, we are not here to argue. If you are here to get the knowledge, then get it. And if you're not, then get on, because ain't nobody about to argue with you, girl. If you want to keep putting petroleum on your scalp, girl, then put it on there. Like, I'm not about to argue with you. But I'm here to tell you that if you want to really, really, really accelerate your hair growth cycle, then make sure that you are keeping your scalp clean and clear, and make sure that you are giving your scalp the right amount of attention by actually shampooing your hair. Shampooing literally means look it up yourself. I'm gonna keep saying this. Shampooing your hair is literally the way that you massage your scalp to release those dead skin particles and to release different forms of buildup, right? Because on top of the dead skin that is on your scalp, you have so many other things that accumulate on the scalp. But remember, your scalp just alone, right, has a oil gland called a sebaceous gland that releases sebum. Not only does it release sebum, it also releases acid to clean off excess sebum. And then you also have a sweat gland in your scalp, and the sweat gland is releasing the toxins within the body. Now, I'm not trying to gross you out, look it up yourself, but the same exact type of waste that is in your urine actually is released from your scalp. Obviously, it's not within the same quantities, it's not as potent, but that same exact type of bacteria that's released in your urine is also released through your sweat glands in your scalp. So when you mix that when you mix what your sweat, the sweat that your body is releasing, along with the sebum and the acid on the scalp, you definitely need to shampoo. Again, what is the definition of shampooing? It is to press, to knead, and to soothe. Pressing, kneading, and soothing out all of the environmental damage, because that's not damage but pollutions. I'm talking like, let's say you're walking down the street, right? Like, as you're walking down the street, a car like with bad exhaustion rolls past you, and you have straight backs in your head. Baby girl, baby boy, whatever just came out of his car, if your scalp was exposed, your body absorbed it. That's what it is. And it's not a big deal. It's not a problem. This is why we have certain systems set up to help us, like shampooing our hair.
Now, there's so much more where this came from. For the full video, make sure you head over to my website. And look, if you don't want to sign up for anything, guess what? I have free stuff over there too. You can go ahead and download your free PDF to figure out what your porosity is at home. Free 99. But you know, you can always get a membership, right? Here it is with the Guru 101 membership. This is our ground level for $9.99. You get access to my private blog that also has so many different short form video content pieces, right? It also has a whole nother portal that we're going to talk about in a second. But when I tell you that every single video that I make here on YouTube has a blog post for it there, that's what I mean. And also we have a new portal, Sindal TV Guru 101. This is what you're looking at right now, and over there you have content that is full-fledged content from my YouTube pieces. Over there I am talking really deep about Olaplex 9 before I even release the video here on YouTube. We have community and so much more. But the next tier up would be Guru Elite. With your Guru Elite membership, you have access to everything on the Guru One-on-One membership, right? So the blog posts, the Guru One-on-One content, and Guru Elite content. Now, Guru Elite content will be all of our live one-on-one broadcasts when I go live on my own private platform, amongst a couple of other different things, you guys, right? And of course, like I said, you also have access to everything from the previous tiers. Now we're getting into Guru VIP. Guru VIP is everything that we just talked about, plus long form content. I'm talking the videos over on Guru VIP are over an hour long. Some of those videos, I'm going deep, teaching you guys how to make your own scalp scrubs, how to make your own retention butter and batter, and all of these different things. But I'm doing it over here on my own private platform where I don't have to answer to anyone, and I don't have to worry about any extra drama, judgment, Instagram stuff, Facebook stuff, nothing. It's all about the science of hair and the people that want the knowledge. It is there, you guys. We have so many different videos. You guys get videos, PDFs, ebooks. You guys get inside scoops, 2 ebooks that are coming up. And this is just a sneak peek at one of our lives. We have a new live event coming up really soon. So if you want to be a part of this next live event and just shoot your questions at me and get real answers that you can put into action, then I am here for you. Okay, it is so easy. Click the links in the description box below, look around, see what testimonials I have, and please know that you can cancel at any time. All you have to do is go within PayPal and go ahead and cancel your subscription, and that's what it is. But you know, I am so excited for you guys to see all of the content that I have stored up for you. Remember, cancel at any time, but come check your girl out.